Since 9/11, American public has been asking Muslims, why don't we speak out and against terrorism, and where are the Muslim voices? The truth is we have been speaking out. All of us, at least the vast majority of Muslims that I know who are active in the community, have condemned, have made statements, have demonstrated, have done whatever they could do within their own power to basically condemn terrorism and extremism. But somehow it doesn't seem to reach the general public, because oftentimes these condemnations do not get reported in the press. So the American public then feels that Muslims are silent and complicit, and so we're doing nothing. It's been more than 15 years now, and I felt that the time had come for us to do collective action. All the things that we have been saying for all the years, put it together in one place, but also understand that a lot of the fear of Islam comes from ignorance of Islam, and not only ignorance, but distortion of Islam, which is being promoted not only by the Islamophobes, but the extremists themselves. Mm-hmm. So Wise Up is our initiative where we brought together 72 voices, 72 authors, scholars, activists. I'm
showing the book.
And if you turn it around in the back, you will see how many contributors we have.
Yes.
I mean, it's
and you can see I'm reading.
Yeah, and it's a remarkable tool, and it's meant to aid people. Mm-hmm. It's meant to aid politicians, ordinary folks, ordinary citizens, interfaith allies who want to advocate on our behalf, don't know how to advocate. So it's basically us telling our story, defining ourselves in our terms, showing our history in America, how long we've been here, who we are, the challenges that we face, how we are contributing to America. So there's an entire section of notable American Muslims.
Yes,
every morning you're having your Chobani yogurt. Understand that there's a Muslim refugee who was behind that. And, while you're sitting there watching football or baseball, understand that a lot of these players are Muslim. And if you are watching the Dr. Oz show, understand that Dr. Oz is a Muslim of Muslim heritage. And so we wanted to let people know that Muslims are also contributing to the social fabric of